Let f be a polynomial function such that log base 2 of fx is equal to log base 2 of 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 9 plus dash dash infinity into log base 3 of 1 plus fx upon f of 1 by x greater than 0, and f6 is 37. You have to find summation fn where n is 1 to 10. Question mark. So we have two information given. One is f of 6 is 37 and log with base 2 of fx is like this, that is log with base 2 of this series, which is, you can see it is in the form of geometric series GP. 2 upon 3 power 0 plus 2 upon 3 power 1 plus 2 upon 3 square plus dash 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 up to infinity into log with base 3 of 1 plus fx upon f of 1 by x, where x is greater than 0. So GP series, you know the sum for the GP series. What is that? Sum of GP is a upon 1 minus r, where r is less than 1. Okay. Here in our case, here r is second term by first term, that is 2 by 3 divided by 2. 2 is nothing but 3 power 0. So 2 by 3 into 3 power 0 upon 2. This is 1. So 2 cancel, this will give you 1 upon 3. And 1 upon 3 is less than 1. So we will use this formula. So now your log with base 2 of fx is equal to log with base 2 of a is to 1 minus 1 by 3 into one more term log with base 3 1 plus f of x upon f of 1 upon x, isn't it? So if you will solve this, you will get log base 2 2 into 3 3 minus 1 into log base 3 1 plus fx upon f of 1 by x. So this on simplification will give you, this will become 2. So 2 into 3 upon 2 into log, this is base 2, log base 3 1 plus fx f of 1 by x. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will get log base 2 of 3 into log base 3 of 1 plus fx upon f of 1 by x. Now one more formula you know from the logarithm, which says that if log a base of b into log b base of c can be written as log a base of c. Okay, means we are just taking it and we are removing it from the picture and log a of c. Okay, combining together. So this formula we are going to use over here in this reference. Here 3 3 are matching, here it is in the main position, here it is in the form of base. We will combine it, so you will get log 2 of this function. Okay, so let us see. Therefore log base 2 of fx will become as log base 2 of 1 plus f of x upon f of 1 by x. Okay, so here on both sides it is logarithmic form with base 2, so we can compare the argument, means this fx and this 1 plus fx upon f of 1 by x will be same. So this will imply that fx is equal to 1 plus f of x upon f of 1 by x. So if you will simplify it, you will get f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of 1 by x plus f of x. Now this is a very general condition. This happens only when fx is a polynomial, and this type of condition holds true if and only if fx is in the form of 1 plus minus x power n, and n is a positive number. Okay, whole number, because it is a polynomial, so n is a positive whole number. So therefore we will say it is possible only when it is possible. This is the direct result only when, so we have to use it directly, we have to just know it, remember it. When fx is in the form of 1 plus minus x power n, and n is a whole number. Okay, so now it is given in our question that f of 6 is 37. F of 6 means 1 plus minus 6 power n is 37. Therefore, if we taking positive sign, taking positive sign, 6 power n 1 plus is equal to 37. This implies 6 power n is equal to 37 minus 1, that is 36. So it is possible 6 square. This gives n is equal to 2. We will not take the negative sign because the reason behind that is this, that this is 37, and for any power of whole number of 6 will be a number which will be either greater than 1 or equal to 1. So if it is greater than 1, then you will get a negative result. If it is equal to 1, then also you will get negative. If it is 0, so 1 minus 1 is 0, but our right hand side is 37, so we will not use negative sign. This is the reason. Neglecting negative sign, you can say, neglecting negative sign. So n is your 2. Now your question is to find the sum of fn. N is 1 to 10. So let us see. Summation n is equal to 1 to 10 of fn. So summation n is equal to 1 to 10. Fn means fx is your, what is the value of fx? This will imply fx is equal to 1 plus x square, isn't it? So fn will be 1 plus n square. So this sum you have to find out. Summation n is equal to 1 to 10 of 1 plus summation n equal to 1 to 10 of n square. So this you will get 10. Here you will get n square. Summation is n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. So 10 into 11 into 20 plus 1, 21 upon 6. So 2 3 ja, 7 3 ja, 2 5 ja. So this is 10 plus 77 into 5. This is 10 plus, so this you are getting 395. So 395 is your answer. Thank you.